I want to show you this foam cannon that I got. I've been playing around with foam generators to make cement, and I saw this. Somebody offered for me to review it, and I thought I would use it for foam generation, but I really didn't think it would work, and it didn't really work for that. However, for washing the car, this thing works awesome. So this little foam cannon, it cost about $25 or so, maybe $30, just I guess depending on when you get it. But you can get it on Amazon, and I'll link to it. But this attaches to a pressure washer. Any pressure washer that's about 2,000 psi or better. It didn't come with any instructions, but putting it together is pretty simple. You had this little hose, you put it on the hose barb, you put dish soap or whatever kind of soap you want in your container, screw it on, and then depending on, I use this quick disconnect. It also comes with this, either one depending on how you're going to attach it to your machine. And it came with a big old roll of Teflon tape, which is kind of cool. So you got two adjustments. You turn, right? That makes it shoot out in a stream. That makes it shoot out in a fan, right? Which worked best for washing the car. And the other adjustment is at the top here, and it's got a minimum and maximum arrow. It just turns, it's a valve. And I thought putting on maximum would give it the most soap. It didn't. It put the most water through. Putting it on the minimum gave it the most soap. And it was nice, thick, sudsy foam. It did real good for taking the old rosin and tar off my car from where we park it under a tree. And, I plan on using this thing to wash the house. It's pretty cool. Works pretty good. And for $30, you really can't beat it, especially when everything else for a pressure washer's $50. So I highly recommend, if you've got a pressure washer and you want to wash stuff, this really adds to the flexibility of your machine.